Housing-based lead hazards are the primary source of lead exposure for U.S. children. Lead poisoning is most common in communities with high proportions of low-income children who live in rental housing that was built before the 1978 federal ban on lead in residential paint. With almost 92% of housing units built before 1978 and 27% of families living in poverty, Philadelphia ranks among the top U.S. cities for prevalence of children with elevated blood lead levels. Some owner-occupants and landlords may defer routine maintenance and care, leading to property deterioration and peeling paint. The Philadelphia Department of Public Health works hard to prevent childhood lead poisoning. When lead hazards are found in a home, an order is sent to the owner for immediate remediation of the property. Property owners who do not complete the required lead hazard control activities at the home are referred to the law department for enforcement. This includes appearing before a judge in the lead court. Health officials and lawyers established Philadelphia's lead court in 2002. A recent study published in a special edition of the Journal of Health Politics, Policy, and Law by Carla Campbell and her colleagues examines Philadelphia's establishment of a specialty court to compel property owners to repair properties with identified lead hazards. This study analyzed interview responses from 15 experts from the city's law and public health departments and the local judicial system. A second study by Campbell and her colleagues, published in the American Journal of Public Health, compares compliance rates for the first year of the Philadelphia Lead Court and time to compliance for lead hazard remediation between 1998 and 2002, the period before the court. The study showed landlord compliance in the 5 years before and after the court started. Before the court, landlords fixed problems within the first year about 7% of the time. After the court was in operation, that rate rose to about 77%. Lead court was more effective than enforcement strategies used before the court was established. Most properties were remediated within 1 year of the IFHI, and time to compliance was significantly reduced. To date, no other study has analyzed this type of enforcement strategy. The use of a specialty court for this purpose is a novel and innovative law enforcement strategy. Only 2 other similar courts are known to exist nationally, in Chicago and Mahoning County. This model court could be replicated in other cities with similar enforcement problems.